Department of Radiation Oncology AMADI Department of Pathology Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal na Khutsamnaduna World Cancer Day 2026 ki Thouram Pangthokkhre. RIMS ki OPD complex ta United by Unique haiba team da pangthokkiba Thouram aduda Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director RIMS Chief Guest, Professor N. Sanjib Singh, Medical Superintendent, RIMS Hospital, Imphal, the President Professor L. Rajesh Singh, Dean Academic RIMS, Professor Y. Sobita Devi, Head of the Department of Radiation Oncology AMADI, Professor Susma Khuraizam, Head of the Department of Pathology RIMS Imphal, the Guest of Honor Oina Sarugyaki. Thauronga Mari Lenana, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, RIMS ki Pathology AMADI Oncology Department na Khutsamnaduna Cancer Prevention Tamunaba, Loinana Early Diagnosis Taunaba AMADI Chap Chaba Cancer Treatment Pinanaba Hotna Ni Haiba Wafam Thamki.
So we were working on how we can get the lining, and also the making of the lining bunker will start very soon. Then also I can proudly say we have increased the strength of radiation oncology faculty, and also we have increased the number of radiotherapy PG students. So that also been added. Only thing is, I would like to remind everyone that we are trying our best to have the most important nuclear medicine. Even though when I do a research, the entire state of Manipur, we do have only one expert trained nuclear medicine faculty. He is a Rimsonian. I'm not going to take the name, but you can find out. And now he's working outside. So we don't have anyone trained. I'd like to request again our students or maybe PGs or the MBBS to get some training. We can let me repeat it. We can get equipment, but we need the manpower. So I think that's going to be very tough for us to remain without nuclear medicine in cancer department. So all in all, the holistic cancer approach they were looking for is a 150-bedded cancer hospital. That is the second stage. That will be done in next 4 to 5 years, I suppose. But before that, I would like to make it sure that we have all the faculties. So we have a very big radiation oncology, the biggest in the state. We will have medical oncology, then surgical oncology. Then we are going to have nuclear medicine equipment. So I think I request everyone to do a little bit of, as I said, marketing. Which ISODs, all are you can say respected people, and I request please do some marketing for institute. Anyone who have been trained in this department, you can please tell them that join us, so that we can go for a holistic approach to and give the service to the state of Manipur and the neighboring states. I also like to, we were working on how we can get the lining, and also the making of the lining bunker will start very soon. Then also I can proudly say we have increased the strength of radiation oncology faculty, and also we have increased the number of radiotherapy PG students. So that also been added. Only thing is, I would like to remind everyone that